Ever wondered what the most surreal places on Earth are? From strange rock formations to mesmerizing lakes and otherworldly landscapes, these 10 most surreal places on Earth are sure to leave you in awe. Let's explore 10 of the world's most incredible sights. Number 1. The Richard Structure, the Eye of the Sahara. In Mauritania, also known as the Richat Structure or Guelb-er-Richat, this formation looks like an alien eye from an aerial view because of its symmetrical shape. It is a geological structure in the Sahara Desert. In Mauritania, the formation spans a 40-kilometer wide area. Gemini astronauts used it as a marker and took the first shot of it in the 1960s to track the development of the opening scenes. The Eye of the Sahara was first thought by geologists to be a below crater made when a spacecraft collided with the planet. However, extensive research on the rocks inside the structure reveals that they are a total of Earth's origin. Number 2. Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia. This is the world's largest salt flat and is 10,582 square kilometers of white, shining salt that reflects the sky and clouds above it. The biggest salt flat in the world is this, located in the southwest Bolivia between the Andes. It is the result of an ancient lake that dried up and left behind a landscape of bright white salt, rock formations, and islands covered with cacti that is almost 11,000 square kilometers in size. From the middle of Iquihuasai Island, one can see its surreal grandeur. Even though there are few animals in this particular environment, it is home to numerous pink flamingos. The Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia is regarded as one of the most extraordinary and harsh landscapes on Earth. It's a beautiful landscape to explore during both day and night, as during certain months of the year a layer of water covers the nearby lagoons, giving it a mirror-like effect. Number 3. Antelope Canyon in Arizona, USA. One of the most popular slot canyons in America, due to its unique shape caused by wind erosion thousands of years ago. East of Lecce, Arizona, on Navajo soil, Navajo Upper Antelope Canyon is a slot canyon in the American Southwest. On the Navajo Reservation, there are 6 distinct, beautiful slot canyon portions that go by the names of Upper Antelope Canyon, also known as the Crack, Rattlesnake Canyon, Owl Canyon, Mountain Sheep Canyon, Canyon X, and Lower Antelope Canyon, or the Corkscrew. Along with a hiking path to Rainbow Bridge National Monument, it is Lake Powell Navajo Tribal Park's main draw. Tebigam, or the area where water pours through the Slot Canyon rocks, is the Navajo name for Upper Antelope Canyon. Hastistas, or spiral rock arches, is a term used by the Navajo Parks and Recreation Department to refer to Lower Antelope Canyon. Depending on the time of day you visit, you might be able to witness sun rays cascading down from the top to spotlight different formations in the canyon. Number 4. Socotra Island in Yemen. It may be small, but it has become a popular destination due to its unique landscape of rugged mountain peaks and lush valleys that are filled with strange trees, like the dragon's blood tree, which looks as if it was pulled straight out of a fairy tale. The 250-kilometer-long Socotra archipelago in the northwest Indian Ocean, close to the Gulf of Aden, is made up of 4 islands and 2 rocky islets that resemble an extension of the Horn of Africa. Because of Socotra's diverse ecosystem, which includes a wealth of unique plant and animal species, 37% of its 825 plant species, 90% of its reptile species, and 95% of its land snail species, the location is of global significance. In addition, the area harbors large populations of seabirds and land birds, including some vulnerable species, 192 bird species, 44 of which nest on the islands, and 85 of which migrate often, with 253 types of reef-building corals, 730 species of coastal fish, and 300 species of crab, lobster, and shrimp. Socotra's marine life is likewise incredibly diversified. Number 5. Zhangye Danxia National Geological Park in China. It is known for its colorful sandstone formations, ranging from yellows and oranges to reds and blacks. The Zhangye National Geopark is located in northern China, halfway along the country's border with Mongolia. It is situated in the Capillas Mountains foothills. The national park has 124 square kilometers of land. The spectacular display of colors over hills and rock formations is what makes the national park, which was once known as Zhangye Danxia Geopark, so well known. The area was named one of China's most breathtaking landscapes by the Chinese media. The park's most populated and developed region is the Danxia Scenic Area. A second location along the Uyuni River is called Binju. Though less frequented, it provides extra vistas of breathtaking scenery. Danxia Scenic Area is the name of a third region. It's located on the edge of the Gobi Desert, and the Rainbow Mountains here look like something from another world. Number 6. Waimea Canyon State Park in Hawaii. It is 10 miles long and over 3,600 feet deep, making it one of the world's most impressive canyons. On the island of Kauai, there lies a breathtaking gorge called Waimea Canyon. It is one of the most picturesque areas of the Hawaiian island and is around 3,600 feet deep and 10 miles long. The canyon has a distinctive geologic past since it helped shape not just by gradual erosion, but also by the violent eruption of Kauai's volcano. Kauai, like the other Hawaiian islands, is the summit of a massive volcano that rose from the ocean's surface. The oldest of the major Hawaiian islands is Kauai, which has lava flows that date to roughly 5 million years ago. A part of the island fell while Kauai was still practically continually erupting around 4 million years ago. It's filled with stunning vistas, and its vibrant reds, oranges, yellows, and greens make it look like something from another planet. Number 7. Pamukkale Travertines in Turkey. Mineral-rich terraces made up of brilliant white limestone cascading down the hillside. Under Pamukkale and the historic Roman city of Hierapolis, there is a massive spring of water that has been heated by volcanic lava. Pure white calcium is dissolved by the water, which then absorbs it to the point of saturation before carrying it to the Earth's surface, where it erupts and cascades down a steep hillside. The calcium precipitates from the water when it cools in the open air, clings to the soil, and produces white calcium cascades that are frozen in stone and known as travertines, or thermal pools. At Pamukkale, the water has been erupting for more than 2,000 years. The Romans created Hierapolis as a spa town so that locals might go there and make use of the hot mineral water's health advantages. It looks almost as if frozen waterfalls are slowly running down the sides of these cliffs. Number 8. Grand Prismatic Spring in Wyoming, USA. This is the third largest hot spring in the world, and its vivid colors make it look like a giant rainbow on land. This geothermal spring, which is like a massive slice of crystal from a distance, is located in Wyoming's Yellowstone National Park. The colored archaea in the biofilm of the mineral-rich spring water are responsible for the striking hues. The bright orange center is caused by pigmented bacteria living in the warm water, and the neon blue water around it is caused by its depth. Number 9. The Underwater Waterfall off Mauritius Island. This isn't actually a waterfall, but rather an optical illusion caused by sand and silt deposits from nearby rivers running into the ocean near here. The southwestmost point of one of Mauritius's most breathtaking landscapes, Le Morne Brabant, is home to a rocky promontory that rises 556 meters above sea level. About 1,250 miles from the coast of Africa, it is referred and regarded by both residents and tourists as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. Just off a narrow strip of land with a thin sandy bottom, where the wind is severe, there is a fissure that seems to open up. This fissure allows water to flow through and creates a seductive underwater waterfall as it travels into deep blue abyss. This effect creates a unique landscape that looks like an underwater waterfall. Number 10. Capilla de Marmol, Marble Chapels, in Aisen region, Chile. These are 10 million year old marble caves filled with emerald green water and icy cold temperatures that make this place feel like something out of a fairy tale. One of Patagonia's top tourist destinations is the Capilla de Marmol, or Marble Chapels, commonly referred to as the Marble Cathedrals. They are made up of 3 limestone structures and are notable for the elegance of their columns and the vivid blue waters that surround them. One of the most picturesque vistas in southern Chile, and a favorite of photographers, are the cathedral, La Capilla, and La Cueva, which are carved on the banks of Lago General Carrera in the Aisen area. Since 1994, when they were designated as a nature sanctuary, they have been a part of the Carretera Austral route and are legally protected. It's stunning to behold. So there you have it, 10 most surreal places on Earth. It's incredible to witness Mother Nature's power in action, and these places really do look like something out of a movie. If you ever get the chance, take some time to explore these sites yourself. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching our video. Which one of the places we talked about did you like the most? Let us know in the comments down below, and make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.